Welcome, Mind Game Masters, to Mouse Quiz. Let's focus here. Choose your water park. Girl side or boy side. Choose one button. Wow, are you happy with your choice? Please also join 60 attractive girl and boy button options that Taco's prepared for you. First one, choose your bedroom. Boy side or girl side. Next, we have a delicious Lay's snack. Which one would you take? What's your favorite snack flavor? Comment below. You have a choice between choosing your bathroom, now it's time to enjoy a cup of coffee. Which coffee maker will you use to make it? Left or right? Which hat's gonna fit you perfectly, boy or girl? Moving up to the next round, choose your team.
I'm joy. This is sadness. That's anger. This is disgust. And that's fear.
Look at your hair.
Oh yeah, not happening.
Okay.
Are you a fan of the old vibes or the new vibes? Vote for your favorite in the comments. Taco will give it to the team with more fans a mystery gift at the end of the video. Find the odd one out. Choose your birthday cake. Which button will you choose this time? Wow! Comment your birthday below and you'll get your favorite cake. Choose your car. You can only choose one button. Oh, they look so cool and unique. Choose your toilet. Choose your keychain. Choose your water park. Wow! Taco loves Anger Water Park. How about you? Which sneakers are you gonna fit you perfectly, boy or girl? Choose your cupcake. Choose your challenge. If you're a girl, comment your favorite food. If you're a boy, comment your favorite superhero. Choose your beach towel. Choose your tumbler wrap. I love milkshakes, but what button should I press this time? Choose your slippers. Girl or boy, choose one button. Envy stuffed toy or embarrassment stuffed toy are both cute. Which stuffed toy do you like better? Choose your swimming pool. You can only choose one button. This could be an idea for your birthday party. Choose your plush character pillow. Do you like this gift? Choose your phone case. This is the time to make a choice. Choose your cookies. Amazing! Taco will try making cookies like this. Choose the button you like. Choose your jacket. Choose your pencil case. Choose your task. Like this video if you chose the girl button, or subscribe to our channel if you chose the boy button. Now choose one button. Choose your backpack. Choose your Lego. Oh, they look so cute and funny. Choose your mug. Do you have any inside-out mugs yet? Choose your headphone. You can only choose one button. Choose your drink. Do you prefer Sunkist or Prime? Choose your kitchen. Are you satisfied with your choice? Choose your notebook. Choose your scooter. Choose your candy. Haribo candy. Have you tried these two Haribo flavors? Choose your gloves. Oh, this is a great choice for this winter. Choose your yacht. Choose your suitcase. Choose your pen. Choose your stair. Joy stare and anger stare. They are so classy and sparkly. Choose your pet. Choose your living room. Choose your flowers vase. Choose one button. Next up, choose your donuts. Do you like to eat donuts? They look so beautiful and attractive, right? Choose your outfit. Choose one button, girl or boy. Choose your fruits. Strawberries and blueberries. They look so fresh. What would you choose this time? Smash one button for your dream house, boy or girl. Which bike would you choose? Choose your cocktail. Choose your hair color. Do you like blue hair or pink hair? Comment below. Choose your motorcycle. Choose your t-shirt. Last one, choose your ring. It's time to explore the mystery box. Oh wow, the Inside Out 2 toy set is full of emotions. Thank you for coming to the Mouse Quiz. Pick your next challenge on the left or right side of the screen. Don't forget to like this video to support Taco and subscribe to the Mouse Quiz channel.